I'm Alina F. Nunez, estate planning attorney here in Florida. If you've ever wondered what happens when someone becomes mentally or physically unable to care for themselves, but they haven't planned ahead, then this video is for you. Because in those moments, guardianship might be the only legal option. And while it's designed to help, it often becomes expensive, public, and emotionally draining. Today, I'll walk you through what guardianship really is, when it happens, and how a few simple documents can help you or your loved ones avoid it altogether. What is a guardianship? Guardianship is the legal process where the court appoints someone to make decisions for another person who can't make them for themselves, whether it's due to illness, injury, disability, or age. There are two types of guardianship. Voluntary guardianship, when a person is still competent but needs help and willingly gives someone that authority. Involuntary guardianship is when a person becomes incapacitated and didn't plan ahead, and the court has to step in. That's where things can get complicated, because the court, not your family, decides who gets to make those decisions. And sometimes it's not the person you would have picked. When the court takes over, let me tell you about a family that I worked with recently. We'll call them the Martins. Their mother, Linda, had a stroke and fell into a coma. She hadn't signed any legal documents beforehand. Her adult children couldn't pay her bills, access bank accounts, or even make medical decisions. They had to go to court and file for guardianship, hire attorneys, notify distant relatives, and wait weeks for approval, all while their mom lay in a hospital bed. This is not uncommon, and it's something that could have been avoided. How to avoid guardianship? Here's the good news. You can avoid the need for guardianship entirely by having a few simple documents in place. Durable power of attorney, or POA, lets someone manage your finances if you're unable to. Healthcare proxy, or healthcare surrogate, names someone to make medical decisions for you. Living will expresses your wishes about end-of-life care. Together, these tools give you the power to choose, not the court. You stay in control. Your family avoids court. Everyone gets clarity. Choosing the right person. Whether you're naming a legal guardian for a child or choosing someone to act on your behalf, these decisions deserve thoughtful consideration. Here's what to look for. Someone you trust deeply, someone who understands your values and wishes, someone who's emotionally and logistically able to step in during a crisis, and ideally, someone who's organized and level-headed. You can even name backups and leave instructions to guide them. Guardianship is meant to protect people, but it's a process you hope your loved ones never have to go through. With a little bit of planning, you can save your family from the confusion, conflict, and court costs that guardianship often brings. So whether you're planning for yourself, your parents, or your children, let's make sure everything's in place. Book a consultation or send me a message. I'm here to help and make this simple and clear. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips that protect the people you love most.